Hi, Howie from Berlon. Today I'm going to show you one of our newly redesigned products, our Bale Spear carriage. This one here has the optional bolt-on uprights or bale guard for moving square bales. We do have a single bolt-on step which you can move to either side depending on which way your cab doors open. With the newly redesigned Bale Spear carriage, we can more efficiently and cost effectively ship these, ultimately saving you money. The way Berlon designed its Bale Spear carriage, we have 3 smaller diameter sleeves on bottom and a larger diameter sleeve up top. The larger diameter sleeve will allow you to put the larger diameter tine up top, 2 shorter ones on the bottom. This is a perfect setup for large round bales. For square bales, you want to put 3 shorter ones on the bottom, optional bale guard, which will allow you to move 2 bales safely at a time. And then you can take the same carriage, add that top tine, and now you have a combo Bale Spear. I'll show you how to do that here quick. I've already got the nut off the tine. Go ahead and slide it into the sleeve, crank the nut tight on the back, torque it to the proper specs, and now you're all set to move round bales.